Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into MariBank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the MariBank app. First unlock your iPhone and locate the MariBank app on your home screen. Next tap the app once to open it. Step 2. Welcome and security reminder. When the app opens, you will see the MariBank welcome screen. For your security, always make sure you are logging in from a safe and private environment. Step 3. Enter your registered mobile number. Next, enter your registered mobile number on the screen. This is the mobile number you used in signing up for your MariBank account. Step 4. Authenticate with PIN or Face ID. Now enter your PIN. If you have enabled Face ID, simply look at your screen to log in quickly and securely. Step 5. One-time password verification. For added protection, Mari may send a one-time password, also known as OTP, to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP on the screen to continue. And that's how you can log in into MariBank on an iPhone simply and securely. Now you can view your balance, manage your savings, make transfers, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.